Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, B-Man Cars. Today we're just going to do a quick, I guess, shining of the headlights or clearing of the headlights. Just using one compound. I wanted to try this for a while now. So this is the headlight off of the CL55. A little hazy and yellowed out a bit. And what we're going to try to accomplish is going from this to this, almost crystal clear. And like I said, all you need is a compound and pretty much a drill. I'll show you guys what you need. So let's get over here at the table. So we're gonna use Mother's aluminum polish. So this, I've seen a few people use it, and all they use is a sponge pad, pretty much, on a power drill, and that's about it. So probably a rag, microfiber, if you know, if you have one. If not, really doesn't matter. And I know some people, they clear coat after doing the headlight polishing. Probably I won't be doing the clear coat after this, so I want to see what it looks like. I mean, I did one side already. It came out pretty good, so I want to see what the I guess the age of going back to what it was of this compound, the aluminum polish. So you're probably gonna need some gloves. I just put it on for the video. I normally don't use gloves mostly, but anyways, let's get to it, and we'll see how long it takes. It should take a few minutes, but I'm gonna go a little longer, probably about 7 to 8 minutes on each headlight. So let's get started. Alright guys, so that was, I'm gonna say about 8 to 10 minutes of polishing there. One of my batteries actually died, and then I had to put the second one, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see the difference. I mean, I don't know how well this camera shows it, but I mean, right here it's really really clear. You guys go close up. I think it works pretty good. I mean, I did the other side, and then this one I haven't done yet. So I just did it one at a time. I wanted to compare it. So next we're gonna go ahead and do the small one, and we'll see the end results at the end. Alright guys, there you have it. Took me about 20 minutes altogether, and I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. I think that Mother's mag and aluminum polish, it worked. I mean, I know I had already seen it on the other side, but you know, showing this on video to you guys saw how yellow this one was. Now I'm going to keep this as is. I want to see the I guess longevity of this thing, how long it will last before it goes back to the hazy yellow crud again. So, but hey, I mean, for just, you know, polish, no sandpaper, no I guess a clear afterwards, and all you need is a old beat up drill with some sponge heads there. And I think I got this set of a set of 17 4-inch and 7-inch all mixed polisher set for about $16 on Amazon. So might want to check that out if you guys are doing anything like that. It comes with all the attachments, but I think I'm pretty satisfied. I will do a night testing of the headlights, see what it looks like, maybe take a couple of photos, put it up. But this is the side that I did. Leave a comment below, what do you guys think? If you guys like it, if you guys hate it, if you guys think I made a mistake, let me know. Alright, so guess this should be it. We'll see you guys in the next one.